There are also some clear ethical considerations related to our study. First and foremost, we propose to investigate the role of an early childhood education program, meaning that young children will be our participants. We will employ an active consent approach, sending a letter to parents, providing full transparency of our methodology and study goals, and allowing participants to decline to participate. We will also seek out compliance and consent from classroom teachers. Anonymity will be secured for our participants, and we will keep them abreast of our use of data before, during, and after the culmination of the study. Additionally, ethics come into play in that our study includes a treatment group, which receives an early childhood education treatment, while the other group will not have this potentially life-changing option. To ensure that our study does not constitute an ethical breach, we have chosen a non-experimental retrospective design, so we will not influence who does or does not receive the treatment.